First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To process PDF files, start by opening the workspace where you want to work with Gemini. Next, upload the PDF file using the available File Upload option. Before uploading, make sure the file is supported and that you have the necessary rights to process its contents. Once the PDF is uploaded, add it to your prompt and tell Gemini exactly what you want it to do. For example, you can ask Gemini to summarize the document, extract important information, answer questions about the PDF, compare different sections, or identify specific data. For a more useful result, make your instructions specific. Instead of simply saying, "Summarize this PDF," you could ask for a concise summary divided into key points, important findings, and conclusions. Now submit the prompt and wait for Gemini to process the document. When the response appears, check whether the information accurately reflects the PDF. You can ask follow-up questions about specific sections without having to manually read through the entire document. For example, you can ask Gemini to explain a particular chapter, find a specific piece of information, or compare two sections. If the document contains tables or structured information, ask Gemini to extract the information in a clear format. You can also request structured output when you need predictable data for another workflow. For large or complex PDFs, break your requests into smaller tasks and verify important information against the original document. This is especially important for numbers, dates, names, financial information, and other critical details. If the PDF contains sensitive information,